911 emergency.
911, this is a control tower at the Waterloo Airport.
Uh-huh.
We've got a helicopter down.
Okay.
At the airport. Just actually about maybe a kilometer or so south of the airport.
So what road would it be on? Is it in the airport area?
It's off the airport property, I think. Just off, it would be just to the west of Fountain Street, Breslau.
Just west of Fountain?
Yep.
So is it actually on Fountain Street then?
Well, the airport's on Fountain Street, but the aircraft, we don't know. He's down in the trees to the east side of Fountain Street, near the corner of Fountain and Kossuth.
Fountain and Kossuth? Okay. Okay, we'll get help out that way.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Ambulance, what's your emergency?
Hi, it's police.
Hi.
We just got a call from the airport that there's a helicopter gone down at Kossuth and Fountain area.
Oh.
You guys want to start heading that way? We're not sure at this time of injuries or what's going on.
Okay. And that's all you have? Anything closer to that, or?
Nope. All he said was it was on Fountain. He thought it was closer to Kossuth and Fountain, helicopter in the tree.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Northwest 5 quarters. Do we have any landmarks for reference for this location?
We've just got the airport as a location right now. It says it's near the water.
Romeo 31 Echo HQ, just FYI, I'm a long ways off.
10-4. Headquarters North S52, Tiger Moth Court and Norseman Road are the intersection closest to this area. If you're heading into the airport from Fountain, it'll be going right.
10-4, thank you. Romeo 21 Echo, copy. Romeo 21 Echo, HQ.
Go ahead.
Would that be east or west of the airport?
It'll be south of it. It's actually part of the airport. If you go in, you have to enter in on Airport Road. Best access would be taking a right on Canuck Road South. You'll enter on Norseman, and you'll see Tiger Moth. It doesn't intersect, but it'll be close on your left. So it should be in that area there.
10-4, so on the airport property though?
10-4.
10-4, I'm almost there.
Just got an update that the mail has been pulled out of the helicopter now.
10-4. I'm sure ambulances are responding.
10-4. Please.
Hi, do you guys have an ETA to the airport?
We have a supervisor on the way, probably about 2 minutes out, and are transporting another crew about another 6 or 7.
Perfect, thank you.
Romeo 21 Echo, the supervisor is about 2 minutes out. The crew will be about 5 minutes. Hello, police.
Hi, just for the ambulance for the airport, it's going to be 2 occupants in the helicopter.
Okay, any updates at all?
No, not yet. We're just about to arrive on scene.
Romeo 21 Echo, just an update. There were 2 occupants, both been pulled out.
10-4, can we make arrangements for a second ambulance?
It's been done. Hiya.
Yeah, it's just Stevie R. It's Sergeant down communications at Waterloo. Just want to make sure that somebody contacted you with respect to the airport crash that we had.
Nope.
Okay, there's a chopper that's down.
Okay.
It's at 4881 Fountain Street North. 2 occupants. We've already got EMS responding.
Okay, so do they want us to respond, or they have their own fire department on?
They have their own fire, but we just part of our policy is to notify you.
Okay, so do you want our response or not?
I would say yes. Send 1 truck.
Okay, well, I don't send 1 truck for
okay, just give me a second. I'll just confirm. Okay, bye.
Romeo 21 Echo HQ, be advised, I'm 10-7 and the helicopter is in the water.
10-4 helicopter in the water.
She didn't have Romeo 21 Echo HQ.
Go ahead.
update on injuries.
So,
Male conscious of breathing, female not conscious breathing.
copy. Fire.
Yeah, it's Sergeant from the communications branch. Yeah, if you could send some trucks out there, they're concerned about wires down and stuff to the airport.
Okay.
So it's 4881.
Yep, we've already got them on the way.
Thanks, bye.
Okay.
Romeo 21 Echo HQ.
Go ahead.
Be advised, the female was pulled out of the water. She was not looking good at that time.
Support. Oh, please.
Hi there, just an update for you.
Okay.
1 second. Go ahead. We have one female not conscious and breathing.
Sorry, for which call?
Airport.
Okay. One female?
The female that was pulled out of the water, she's not conscious. She's breathing. The officer just said that she's not looking very good at this time. The male is conscious and breathing.
Okay, we should be there any minute.
Thank you.
Hi, fire.
Hi, for the call at the airport for the helicopter crash.
Yep.
Did they have a location at the airport or any other details?
Let me see if I can. It's down just west of Fountain, in trees on east side of Fountain Street, at Kasuth and Fountain.
Okay, so, sorry, say that again?
Just west of Fountain, in trees on east side of Fountain Street, and they've got the cross streets as Kasuth and Fountain.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
You're welcome. Bye.
Northwest 52 to Romeo 21 Echo.
Go.
Is this military or civil?
Civil or private helicopter. The Great Lakes helicopter.
North 11 Echo HQ.
So,
Just to confirm, enter the airport.
10-4, you're going to turn right. Will be Canuck Road South. Follow it all the way down to Northson Road, and then you should be able to see Romeo 21 Echo from there. You have to cross a swamp area to get to the scene.
10-4, thank you.
911 emergency?
All right, it's the control tower at the airport again with an update on the helicopter crash.
Okay, go ahead.
Apparently it is on airport property. And it's right at the south end of the airport, on airport property, so you have to access it from the airport.
Okay, and I do believe that we have an officer on scene or two.
Okay, yeah, I do see police officers here, yeah.
Okay, perfect. I'll let them know. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, fire. Hi, just trying to get some more information on this crash at the airport.
Uh-huh.
So is it actually on the airport property, or are we accessing it from there?
It looks like it's on the airport property. What they said was, enter the airport, and it'll be your first right, and it loops down. And their streets inside there are called Tiger Moss and North Man.
Okay, so they are accessing it from the airport property.
Yeah, you go into the main entrance and then down to the right.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep. Alrighty.
Oh, ambulance.
Hi there. For the airport call,
Okay.
do you have a better location? Is it on Kasuth or on Fountain? Do you know? Our crew's in the area that's having a hard time finding.
I'm just trying to look for their directions here. It's actually in the airport property. Caller says enter the airport, take the first right, and then it loops down.
Okay. All right, I'll have to call you back.
Okay.
Thanks.
Fire and ambulance 10-7.
10-4.
Romeo 21 Echo HQ.
So,
Can you see this water on your map?
Meg, I see a stream. I see your vehicle nearby.
10-4. If you can see south of my vehicle, there should be a farmer's field. See if it would be feasible for an ambulance to get through the field, just because it's going to be hard to get them to the road in their condition.
10-4.
React has an Argo that we can use. It's at headquarters, but we need to make the call ASAP.
Time for it.
Romeo 21 and Echo, you can stand by on that just 1 sec. The ambulance got fairly close. I'm just going to wait till they get here and see what they think.
North 11 Echo HQ.
Go.
Ambulance is on scene. I can see them. If they can put a rush on it, female's going BSA.
Copy. Ambulance, it's emergency?
Hi, for the ambulance that's on scene at the airport, can they try and put a rush on it? The female's going BSA.
I'm pretty sure we have crews on scene.
You're there, but they're just not even close yet. They can see the ambulance coming in. They just need them updated.
Okay, I'll let
Thank you.
them know.
Bye.
The second ambulance is just entering the airport now.
Time for it.
Romeo 31 Echo's on scene. We're cutting the fence here, and the ambulance is going to be able to get in right here.
Romeo 21 Echo, ambulance is 10-7 with the female, and she's VSA at this time.
Copy VSA.
North 11 Echo HQ is going to be 902.
Time for 902.
North 51 Echo headquarters. I'll be following EMS with the male party to Grand River Hospital. Can you mark me, please?
Time for it.